Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Ahrefs. As you know, Ahrefs is a very well known tools for doing SEO audit, keyword research, backlink analysis, and checking your competitor, everything. So I'm going to show you part to part so you can understand how can you use Ahrefs to do analysis of your competitor, maybe keyword analysis or backlink. So um, if I want in a pet industry, if I write pet shops, maybe I'm in the pet industry, and I say like USA. So maybe my company is doing pet industry. I want to see pet smart, which keyword they're ranking for, and what is the condition. So if I go there and if I go to a chef, so there is a different bar. So this is called dashboard. In the dashboard, you can see you can add new project, and you can track the project uh, ratio like organic traffic, organic keyword, backlinks, and everything. And from the site explorer, you can see the site metrics like what is the external backlink, internal backlink, what is the keyword they're ranking for, how many keywords they are lost, what is their anchor text, everything you can see from there. And from keyword explorer, you can really, this is awesome tool. You can do Google, Amazon, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, and more, Baidu, and everybody research. From here, you can do any keyword research, and they will show the search volume, click, metrics, the KD, like keyword difficulty, how easy to rank the keyword, how difficult to rank the keyword, and everything. And in the rank checker, you need to you can track the rank, like as I say, you can track the rank. A content explorer is also an awesome tool where you can see what is the trending topic in your keyword. There's more option like domain comparison, patch analysis, link insert, intersect, SEO toolbar, everything. So this is awesome tool. This tools is pricing from like, if you use these tools, it's pricing like light one 99, and agency one to $90,000. So if you go for annual, they will exempt your 2 month billing free. So you are getting something over here. So let's go and check the Pet Smart, how he is doing. If I copy the Pet Smart, see, and give it here and show the things. Now you can see many things over here. So let me make you understand what is the dashboard is, what is the functionality of here. In here you can see the Ahrefs rank. This is the rank that given by Ahrefs. So the strength of a target website backlink profile and compared to other database, the rank number one. And from the so number one to many as goes, this website rank is 12,822. This is the rank given by the Ahrefs, determining how backlinks and strength of the website. And PetSmart EWR and tier. So what is the EWR? EWR mean is URL rating. So URL rating is means how many backlink is targeting to your URL, like the URL. This is called URL. This is called URL. This URL have another name. It's called flag and permalink. So you can see the URL rating shows the strength of the target page link profile of 100 scale point. If analyzed a domain, the home page URL is shown. So, so how many backlink is targeting to this URL? And tier means domain rating. So how many backlink is also targeting to the domain, to this domain from other domains, and what is the strength of the others domains, that is all determined here. So by determining these two metrics are done, like UR and DIR, URL rating and domain rating, and the backlinks, like uh, the backlinks. If you are in SEO sector, you know that backlinks. So this backlink is like, how many total links are pointing to that website. So it's not from the how many domain, it's from how many links are pointing. Maybe a website, maybe a website can give you 1,000 link, two link, three link, one link. It depends what kind of website you are taking backlink from. So this matrix is only the backlinks is how many links pointing to your site, not from the how many domain point to be noted. So the referring domain is saying, now you can see 20,000, 20.3K domain is giving this website 5.14 million backlink. So now you understand, now you can say, understand that this count of backlink, this count of domain is giving, providing, making like 5.14 million backlink for this website. So the backlink and the preferring domain is not the same. Referring domain can be less, but backlink can be more, because one website can create lots of website, lots of links, like forum, like directory submission. They create lots of backlink and organic keyword. So this show how many keyword this website is ranked on Google. So if you click on the rank organic keyword, you can see how many keyword this website, and what is their metrics, which is the position and everything. This is another part I'll tell you later on. Let me first understand you make all these things. What is this in here? And this website is getting 2.5 million traffic. Is it the estimated monthly organic traffic? It's monthly they are getting 2.5 organic traffic, which is huge. And the traffic value is like, this is estimated like PPC, how much, the click rate and everything. So you can see the estimated value of your target monthly organic. So what organic traffic you are getting, and so if you do the PPC campaign, how much will be the value? So the Ahrefs is giving you the ROI, like return of investment. So if you're retaining, you're investing in SEO. If SEO, then how much you're getting, if you, and how much will be the cost if you do the paid marketing. So this is the value they are showing. So in the need underneath, after that you can see like backlink. So they're showing the backlink 3 months, the graph, the referring domain graph, how the referring domain is getting in 2014, 12, 20, and also referring pages, like how many pages are referring to you. Now new and lost referring domains. So backlink can be lost, and the referring domain can be lost. This is the ratio as well. New and lost backlinks. So you can see what is the how many in 2019, how much, and 2019 total. You can see over here by the date, and the CTLD distribution, like in the .com.org. So you can see how many backlink you get from Canada, how many backlink from United States, so which kind of Russia, and everywhere you can see some in the map. Anchor text, so which anchor text is and the people are giving you backlinks. So this is the awesome tool, right? And see the organic, if you go to organic search, you can see the traffic is how which is traffic. This is all time traffic. You get 1 year, you can see a little bit change how much is the 1 year traffic they're getting is 30 days. You can see how the traffic they're getting, there is not much fluctuated, they always have a curve. So you can see the graph. If your traffic is going up, your traffic is getting low. And organic traffic, keyword ranking stability, you can check from where is you lost, how many keyword you're losing, how many keyword you're getting. So this is mainly a graph, like top organic keyword, like which is your organic keyword, like paid smart, and the search volume and traffic and results 65. So upload update 16 hours ago. So you can see that your top keyword, position, volume, traffic, and the result and everything from here. The result, like how many result, like, and the top pages as well. You can see from here which is the top pages of your website. So this is called this is for organic search, you can see. And for the paid, if you doing any paid marketing, they will show you the paid search and traffic. So this is the paid ad they're running and how much they are getting from paid search. So like top paid ad, like Google volume traffic and keyword one, which keyword they are doing. So you can see uh, um, uh, from the keyword they're doing the ad with paid smart, the keyword they're targeting paid smart near me, paid smart. This is the keyword they are using for doing their paid marketing. So, and the landing page they're using, which landing page they're using for targeting the customer. You can see all these things from here. And besides that, in the left hand side, you can see the top competitor. If you go to backlink, they'll show, I start from the first again, they'll show you crawl pages, like referring domain, do follow, how many do follow backlink, government.gov, education. So you can see everything referring domain from here. And also you can see referring pages, IP, how many IP referring you, and and subnet and everything. And and the do follow backlinks, UGC, UGC sponsored text and everything you can see from here. So basically, this one showing the everything, like backlinks you needed for doing a backlink analysis. Also for organic search, you can see how many search you're getting from UK, USA, which country you're getting the most search from, and your competitor, top 10 competitor, who is your top 10 competitor. And the paid search also, you can see what is your paid competitor who are doing the paid ad, and country they are targeting and how much traffic you are getting from there. So you can see all the thing from here. So guys, this is for today. I'm gonna talk about the left hand sidebar in the next video. Till now, stay with me, and if you like my video, subscribe my channel, and comments me what next video you're looking for. So Ahrefs is awesome tool. I use it every day for my doing my competitor analysis, my website analysis, and backlink analysis and keyword analysis. I will show what is the magic of these tools in my next video, and the next video, and the next video. It will go on keyword analysis, how to do keyword analysis, how to do the backlink analysis, how you can find the good content, low hanging keyword, and rank for it. All these things I'm gonna bring in my in my channel. And please stay safe and stay good. Bless you. Bye.